Steady now, let's see the measure.
The balance holds true?
Aye, hair's breadth to the right. More heat then. This seal confirms it. The alliance holds. Then we proceed. I will prepare the forge. See that you do. This seal confirms it. The alliance holds. Then we proceed. I will prepare the forge. See that you do. Come closer, lad. Watch how I grip it.
Yes, master. I'm ready.
Good. Now feel the balance.
I feel it.
This could be the key. Now to record its weight. There, the light is steady again. Good, we need it to last. Time to heat this steel. Now for the shaping! Steady now, the heat is intense.
Yes, master.
Bring the mold.
It's ready.
Watch the color, it's ready.
It's so bright.
To the fire, we shape it now.
Yes, master.
Steady now, one firm strike.
Yes, the glow pulse is stronger.
Good, feel its heat.
I feel it.
Good day. I bring the documents. Excellent. Please, come in. Here they are. Thank you. The weight is true. Aye, it's a fair coin. The engravings are subtle, but they match the old texts. Aye, the wood is ancient. It's a fine piece. Indeed. Thank you for showing me. Is this genuine? Let me see. The weight feels right. Heat it. Gold does not lie. Aye. This artifact holds great power.
What does it do?
It can alter fate itself.
Incredible.
And the balance, as promised. A fair price. The work will be done. Good. To our partnership. I have come for what is mine. You cannot take it. Step aside.